Welcome, let's get right to it. Every rep, every day you show up is a battle against your old self. Today you decide yesterday's limits don't define you. We're not just moving, we're rewriting our stories, one drop of sweat at a time. Discomfort? That's your teacher, not your enemy. Progress isn't always visible, but it's happening inside you. This is your wake-up call. Comfort zones don't build champions. Are you ready to meet the new you? Let's do this. Let's get moving, no warm-up, straight into the fire. We start with squat hold to jump squat. Drop into a deep squat chest up, back straight hold for 15 seconds. Feel the shake, feel the burn, stay with it. After the hold, explode into 5 jump squats, drive through your heels, land soft right back into the squat. Repeat, hold, jump, jump. The hold builds endurance, the jump builds power. Your legs will scream, but focus on your breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Don't let pain break your form. This is your first test, remember why you started. You're here for a challenge, not for easy. Every squat hold builds discipline, every jump builds power. This isn't just a leg exercise, it's a test of will. How bad do you want it? Show me. Stay with the burn that's strength being built. When your mind says stop, find the voice that says keep going. This is what separates the good from the great. Push through discomfort, finish strong, deeper in the hold, higher in the jump. Let's go. One more round, you've got this. Great job on squats. Shake out those legs. Next, push up to mountain climber. Start in plank, hands under shoulders, core tight. Lower into a controlled push-up, chest close to the floor. Push up, then drive your knees in for 4 mountain climbers. Hips down, movements sharp, back to push-up, then repeat. This combo torches calories and builds strength. Push-ups for upper body power, climbers for core and cardio. Your shoulders and abs will burn. Embrace it. Focus on quality, not speed. Keep your core tight. Imagine bracing for a punch. Don't let form break as you tire. This is a mental game now. Your body will want to quit, don't let it. Remember the feeling of finishing strong. One more rep, prove your strength. Let's go. Dig deep, you're stronger than you think. Finish this set. Catch your breath, we're on the floor, but this isn't rest. Hollow body rock, the ultimate core test. Lie on your back, press your lower back into the floor. Lift shoulders and legs, arms overhead, form a shallow C. Hold, then rock gently from shoulders to glutes, keep the hollow shape. Movement comes from your core, not your limbs. If your back arches, reset. This targets your entire core tension and control, not endless crunches. Your body will want to break form, fight it. Every rock is a battle for perfect position. A strong core is your foundation. This builds real strength, brick by brick. Stay with the burn, breathe through it. Modify if needed, bend knees or bring arms forward. The goal, deep, intense ab contraction. This is how you build a rock-solid core. No excuses. Keep rocking, stay tight, feel the burn. On your feet, time for the burpee to tuck jump. Start standing, drop to plank, chest to floor. Push up, jump, feet in, explode up, drive, knees to chest. Land soft, right into the next rep. This is full body, high intensity work. Your heart and lungs will burn. Embrace it. The tuck jump is the real test. Maximum effort every rep. Push past your limits. When you want to stop, remember your goals. Every burpee brings you closer to your best self. Don't cheat, chest to floor, knees high. This is more than exercise, it's character building. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. Prove you can keep going when it's tough. That resilience carries into life. Let's see how many you can do. Go! Back to the floor. Single leg glute bridge hold. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Lift hips into a bridge, squeeze glutes. Extend one leg, keep thighs parallel. Hold, feel the burn in your glute and hamstring. Keep hips level, don't let them drop. This tests your stabilizers and core. Fight to keep your body aligned. Both glutes and hamstrings are working. This builds real functional strength. Focus on squeezing the working glute. Make it solid. Hold for time, then switch sides. One side may be weaker, normal. This corrects imbalances. Shaking and burning, that's progress. Breathe, don't hold your breath. When it feels impossible, dig in. 5 more seconds, then another 5. You control the burn. Hold steady, stay strong. Lower your hips, stay on the floor. Time for plank to downward dog. Active recovery but still work. Start in plank, hands under shoulders, core braced. Push hips up and back into downward dog form, an inverted V. Press chest to thighs, head between arms, heels toward floor. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and calves. Hold, breathe, then flow back to plank. Control the movement, use your core. Repeat plank, downward dog, plank. Strengthen plank flexibility and dog. Shoulders and core are working. This builds strength and mobility. Focus on smooth, deliberate movement. Let this reset your body and mind. Enjoy the flow but stay engaged. Every rep has a purpose. If hamstrings are tight, bend knees slightly. Aim for a long, straight spine. With each rep, push heels closer to the floor. build resilient shoulders and a strong, supple body. Final round. Wall sit pulse squats. Find a wall, slide down until thighs are parallel to the floor. Knees above ankles, back flat. Hold, feel the tension in your quads. Now, pulse up and down an inch or two. Tiny movement, huge burn, constant tension. No rest, no escape. The burn will build fast. This is the mental battle. Silence the voice that says quit. Focus on the next pulse. One more inch down, one more up. Think of all the work you've done to get here. Don't give up now. This moment defines your workout. Prove you can handle the pressure. Close your eyes, breathe deep. You are in control, stronger than the pain. Final seconds. This is where champions are made. Push through. Feel the fire forging you stronger. Don't quit, finish what you started. 3, 2, 1, release. You did it, catch your breath. That exhaustion? That's victory. Pain and progress go hand in hand. Every time you push through, you're building character. This isn't just about the workout, it's about how you face life. The pain today is the strength tomorrow. Progress isn't always visible, but it's real. Consistency in the face of resistance, that's transformation. You showed up, you won. I'm proud of you. See you in the next one, now go earn it.